Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, at the menu you can see you might want to try. And in here you can swipe until you can see YouTube thumbnail. This is the YouTube thumbnail, so you just click on it, and after this in here you can see many template for YouTube thumbnail on Canva app. You can choose a YouTube thumbnail that you want, and after this you can click on YouTube thumbnail at that you want, maybe this one, so you just click on it. And after this, if you wanna set the text, so you just click on the text this one, so you just click on it. And after this you can click you can set the, or you can change the text, maybe tutorial like this. And then after this you can Canva, sorry, apps. Okay, and after this you can delete this icon, can delete. And if you wanna add a Canva logo, so you just click on a plus this one, and after this you can click on elements. In here you can see many elements that you wanna add, but in here I wanna add Canva logo, so in here you can click on search icon and search a Canva, this one like this. And after this you can click on Canva, and you can set the logo to small like this and like this, and finish. So that's how to make a YouTube thumbnail on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.